What if the wild spirit of the Scottish Highlands never died, but moved across an ocean? The Scots-Irish, descendants of Scottish settlers, carried culture, courage, and a rebellious spirit, planting it deep in America. From the Highlands to the Appalachians, echoes remain: fierce independence, love of freedom, and distrust of authority. Their ancient ballads evolved into country music, and clan loyalty transformed into unwavering family pride. That warrior spirit shaped the American frontier. They built cabins, led militias, and fought in revolutions, guided by the Scots-Irish code. Work hard, stand tall, trust your kin. Today, that fire burns brightly in Southern and Appalachian culture, a living echo of Scotland's soul. Centuries apart, yet one shared identity. Does culture survive through ancestry or the stories we keep alive? Let me know your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more stories.